Analog electronics means op-amp, operational amplifier. The IC is a 741 IC. There is a two input, pin number 2 and 3 is input, 2 negative and then positive. After that negative first, then positive. Negative means inverting, negative means inverting, positive means non-inverting. Okay, so 180-degree phase shift, that is about the op-amp. Okay, operational amplifier. So it is coming under the DIP package, dual inline package, 8-pin IC. So like inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifiers. Digital electronics, CBU, central processing unit. Okay, the inside about that motherboard. The motherboard means it's a IC, integrated circuits. The integrated circuit, how it is operated means based on that ICs. How IC, the basic gates, derived gates. Okay, basic gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, derived gate. What is a derived gate? NAND gate, NOR gate. So this is a derived. Not and plus not, and plus not. It is NAND. No, OR plus not, OR plus not is equal to NOR gate. It is a derived. Then universal gate. What is a universal gate? Universal gate means take the NAND gate or NOR gate. Take the NAND gate or NOR gate. So take any one gate, either NAND gate or NOR gate. So this gate used to, you will going to develop the basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate. So it's an AND gate. Okay, NOR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. So like you will going to develop. So if you are developing, that is called a universal gate. That is called a universal gates. That is called a universal gates. The next one is a Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra, it has that rules and the laws is there. So like about that one, rules and the laws, cumulative laws, associative law. Okay, so these are the laws are there. Okay, this law, what it is, law a plus b is equal to b plus a dot b is equal to b dot a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So like about that one, distributive law, absorption law, and then it has that it has, okay, laws. Then theorem, De Morgan's theorem. What is De Morgan's theorems? So this is a De Morgan theorem. What De Morgan theorem says? A dot b whole bar, it is equal to a bar plus b bar, a bar plus b bar. So you can write in reverse, a plus b. Okay, here dot is replaced into the plus, plus is replaced into the dot. Okay, so that is a De Morgan theorems. The next one is simplifications. With the help of that these laws, okay, used to, you will going to simplify the circuit. So you will going to find out the answer. So what is answer here? Z is equal to OR gate. So x plus y. This is the answer. Similarly, you will going to find out. So what is the answer? So that is called the simplifications. So what is this answer? What is this answer? Okay, so this answer is wrong. So answer is x into y. Okay, whole double bar. So xy. That is only answers. So you will going to find out the answers. That is called the simplifications. So then next one is a, what is you have next one, that is called a microcontroller. So already I touched about what is microcontroller. Microcontroller is nothing but you will going to take the human brain. Okay, come on. What is a microcontroller? Microcontroller is nothing but a human brain. Human brain is a microcontroller. What is the purpose of human brain? It is a control as well as do the action. Control as well as do the action. It will going to give the command. It will going to give the command to that one. Okay, so raise your right hand, raise your left hand. So it is giving the command. It is giving the command to the controller. Controller is giving the command. uh, how the, how the control, how the brain is giving the command. My question is, how brain is giving the command, how the brain is giving the command. That is a very important. That's why neural network is it is a subject. Artificial intelligent. It's now everywhere there, artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning. So now everyone they are studying machine learning, how to learn the machine. So machine we are going to feed it, and the artificial intelligence, fuzzy logic, neural network. So everything it is just coming from that brain only. So my question is very clear. Okay, how the brain is giving the command? How the brain is giving the command? Because of the learning. Because of the learning. What learning? From childhood to it is a start to learn. From the birth to learn. What is a learning? For example, when you are when you are 1 years old, when you are 1 year old baby, okay, 1 year old baby. Unfortunately, you are touch on the fire. So unfortunately, so you are touch on the fire. So your baby. So when you will go to fire is there. So when you are unfortunately touch it, what will happen? You feel, okay, you feel about that one. You feel it. So fire it will go to you feel pain. So in your fingers you feel pain. Immediately what you will do? So you will take away your the fingers. Immediately you are taking away the fingers, away the finger from the fire. Similar next instant when it is happened, so will you go nearby the fire? No. So you are not going nearby the fires. Okay, you are not going nearby the fire. That is a fearness. So the type of fearness is there. See, that is a called a neuron is working. See, that's why when childhood is you may be fall down while driving on the two-wheeler or the bicycle. Now also people is hesitate to take the cycle. Now people is somebody is hesitated to take the cycles. What is the reason? The reason is that neuron is not, the neuron is stored the data. Like what is the data is stored? No, if I will drive the cycle, I will fall down. It is a the stored the data. Then what to do? Then reprogram. Some psychiatrist is coming. No, you can. You will going to drive well. So you have the power. Yes, the psychiatrist they will going to give the input. So psychiatrists when they will going to give brainwash, so automatically your old data you will going to erase and new data you will going to store, and then based on the storing the new data, your action it will going to continue. This is called a brain working. The brain is nothing but the main part of our body. That is the body in our body main part. So see, look it. So how to walk with the help of the legs. So with the help of the legs, you will going to walk. Okay. So the walking. So with the help of the leg, it is output device. Okay. How to take the food? How to take the food with the help of the hand? So with the help of the hand, you will going to take the food. That is called input. So with the help of the input. Similarly, see that one the input, output. So similarly, you have take it. This is a controller. The controller is nothing but brain. Here is you can take the input and then you will going to you execute the output. You will going to take the input. How to take the input? Sensors. You will going to take the input of the sensors. Sensor you can use and it will going to start to execute it. For example, simple method, air condition, AC. So automatic setting is there. So you will going to set 17-degree sensor. It will going to, it is a program. It is a program you can write. So whenever the temperature level is, it will going to cross 25 degrees Celsius above room temperature. I am telling, whenever the room temperature is crossed above 25 degrees Celsius, okay, above 25 degrees Celsius, the microcontroller turn on automatically, giving the command to turn on the, what is this one? Air condition. Air condition need to turn on. So it will going to give the command. So write the program. So write the program. I will repeat again. The room temperature is 25 degree. Whenever the room temperature is increase above 25 degree, the air condition need to turn on. Need to turn on. Need to turn on. Okay. Then second condition. Whenever the temperature is go below 20 degree, go below 20 degree. Okay. The air condition turn off. So turn off. So that type of the line you will going to write on the controller, program the controller. This is called a program. You will going to write the program. Okay, dump into the controller. The controller will going to take the actions. it will take the actions. That's all. This is called a microcontroller. This is called the purpose of the microcontroller. Okay, so here you can look it on the some more points in the microcontroller. The microcontroller is an integrated IC. It's a combination of more IC. Okay, integrated circuits. Okay, it is a programmed, yes, perform a set of function. So it will going to perform a set of function control. Okay, functions to control. Okay, to control a collective so collection of the electronic device, air conditions, fan, everything you will going to start to control. Okay, it's just okay. A self-contained system, self-contained systems like this is called a CPU type. It has the processor, okay, support, memory, input and output, and all are okay, all contained in a single package. It is all contained in a single package. Okay, so look at these are the microcontroller. What is the previous version? The previous version of that one, I mean, first version is a microprocessor. Microprocessor. It is a version is started. Then after that, these are the versions is increased. So this is the PIC company. So PIC microcontroller. Then Motorola microcontroller. Motorola microcontroller. Okay, these are the controller. So company name. So Motorola developed the microcontroller, PIC developed the microcontrollers. So PIC IC, see that one IC, this IC. So this IC, like that one. Okay, the IC is developed. So this is a microcontroller. The next one, types of the microcontrollers. So family wise, the family wise it will going to classified. Okay, 8051 microcontrollers. Okay, it is called the initial stages. The next one is Motorola. They are developed microcontroller. PIC developed microcontroller. Texas Instrument, so developed the microcontroller. Okay, National Instrument, they are developed the microcontroller. ARM processor, they are developed the microcontroller, and so many others. So these are the it is a developers, and then it is a version is increased. Motorola means what is number. PIC means what is number. Look at the PIC IC. So PIC is a 112F508. PIC IC 16F84A. You can type on the Google. So this IC you will going to get it. You will going to get this IC data sheet. Okay, data sheet means how many pin. What is this pin? What is this pin? Okay, so this IC, PIC IC, this three is the Motorola IC, Motorola microcontroller. So like about that one, it is classified, and the companies also. So Intel company they are produce. So there 8051 Intel company available, Admel company available. So like for example, Pani Buri, you can take the Pani Buri. Pani Buri is there. Different stalls are available. Similarly, 8051 is there. Intel company, Admel company, Philips company, Siemens company. So many company they are developing the microcontrollers. Okay, and then what is there inside the microcontroller? It's a bits. So I said about that one, it will going to store the data. Okay, it's a binary method. It's a bits, 4 bit, 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bits. So like it will going to store, and the memory devices embedded, you will going to embed the memory. So external memory also you will going to do. It has the instruction set also. Okay, it has that one, okay, RISC, CISC. So like instruction set, memory architecture, it has that one. So it has the like it is a classified the microcontroller. See, this is a embedded total set of the microcontroller. It is called similarly the Arduino is coming like this type of method. In olden days, you will going to separately these all the things you want to take. For example, oscillator, and then this small power supply. Everything you want to take it separately. But in recent days, you have ready-made. So ready-made set. So ready-made. So like you are going to get it as a ready-made. Okay, similarly Arduino, when you are going to look at Arduino, this is Arduino about ready-made. What is the IC here? You know that one Admel IC, Admega IC is using. So Admega microcontroller is using. This is a ready-made. What is the cost of this one? Do you know? 500 rupees, starting from the 500 rupees, 1500 rupees. So it is going to extended. See, look it on that one. This is called a crystal oscillator is available. This is a power supply. Power supply regulator is there, and then a capacitor is there. These are the input port. These are the output port. Okay, these are the output port, and then few more component resistance, capacitance. So like about these are all the devices. One reset switches are there. In olden days, you want to take a cloth and you want to stitch. But recent days it's a ready made particularly cheap 500 rupees available. So if you are interested hobby, then you will going to directly write the program over here. So it's a free source program, then you will going to write about what I gave the one example. Temperature control 25-degree above, turn on that one. 25-degree below, turn off the fan. You will going to do that once. Okay, so this is a things is doing executed by the industry. Industry is doing that type of work only. So startup companies, they will going to do, everyone they will going to start to do this work only. So this is about the, this is called a, what is there inside? Inside is a microcontroller is there. Inside what is there? This is the microcontroller. What is IC? Admega IC. Admega 28. So like about that one. So this is what is this total board. This is called a microcontroller. This is microcontroller. So not only IC. So along with IC, these all are the supporting devices. With help of their supporting devices, this is total kit is ready. Total kit is ready. So this is about the introduction about that one, your microcontroller. See, this is single IC. This single IC is it will going to store the programming. How do you store? Then you will going to take a entire board. Okay, see, look it. Here is a power supply. How to dump the program? Here is no options. How to write the program? Not no options. If you will going to take this board, here is a USB port available. You will going to insert the through the cable. You will going to write the program. Rewrite the program. So this is a difference about Arduino and then normal IC. So normal board, okay, and a normal IC. Okay, where is that one? Normal IC. Yes. You look at about this ones. So this is a type. You will going to rewrite the programming method is there. So like you have for this ones. And next further we're going to discuss about the block diagram of that ones. So what are the blocks is there inside about the microcontroller. And today we're going to stop over here.